Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on search icon and search for View Advanced System Settings and click here to open it. It will open System Properties window. On this window, click on Settings. Now check this option and click on OK. Simply click on OK. Then close this windows. Again go to search bar and type here powercfg.cpl and click here to open it. Now on this window, just turn off this option and save changes. Now close this window, go to search bar, type here cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. On this window, type here sfc /scan now and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close the command prompt window. After that, again go to search bar and type here cmd and as administrator. These commands are really important. You will get all these commands in the description below. Just copy them and paste on command prompt window. Also, you can follow my screen. Once done, close the command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.